Hello friends, welcome to Titanium Beauty. My name is Tulika Thakur and in this video I am going to show you how to make DIY makeup primer. It's very important to apply primer before applying makeup and many of us skip this step. We don't apply primer and we directly start applying makeup, foundation or anything else, and what happens after some time that a foundation starts to crack, which looks very weird. To avoid that mistake, you should apply primer before applying your makeup. So in market primers are available, but they are very expensive. Here in this video I am going to tell you how to make DIY primer using only 2 ingredients. There will be one optional step. If you want to do it, you may do. If you don't want to, then just skip it. So here is a primer which is very affordable and works just as the market primers, but it is very inexpensive. Primers also help to last your makeup long. In summers our makeup starts to melt, so this avoids that. So do apply primer before applying makeup. It's a very important, essential, necessary step to apply primer. So if you can't afford the market primer, then do give this a try. This is a very affordable, inexpensive DIY primer made with natural ingredients only. This won't harm your skin and will suit all skin types. So do make this. And if you want to see how I made this primer using only 2 ingredients and 1 optional ingredient, then keep on watching this channel. For making this DIY primer, you only need 2 ingredients basically. First is Patanjali aloe vera gel and second is glycerine. Foundation is completely optional. If you want to add it, then you may add, and if you don't want to add it and keep your primer natural, then you please don't add it. Then we also need a container and a spatula to mix. Okay, now let's start making our DIY makeup primer. So for this, take the container, open it. Now add Patanjali aloe vera gel. This is the base of our makeup primer, because usually the primers which are available in the market are also gel based. So here we will be using Patanjali aloe vera gel. This will be the base. We will be taking 1 tablespoon of Patanjali aloe vera gel. Now in this we will add glycerine. It's on you how much glycerine you want to add in this, because if you'll add more glycerine, then your primer will be more dewy, and if you will add less glycerine, then it will be less dewy. So it depends on the season also. If it is summer, then add less glycerine, and if it's winter and your skin becomes very dry in winter, then you add more glycerine for dewy look. So we'll add glycerine here. I'll be adding 5 to 6 drops of glycerine in this, because glycerine is also sticky in nature, so it will help your makeup to stick and last long. Okay. So I've added glycerine in this. Now your basically your primer, DIY primer, is ready now to use. This is completely natural. Your primer is ready here, so you can use this as your makeup primer, and also if you don't want to use it as your primer, you can also use it as your moisturizer, because it acts very well as moisturizer also. But here now I am going to do an optional step. I will be adding a very little amount of foundation in this. What this will do, that this will also give a slight coverage. I will be adding foundation because it will give slight coverage. So if you want slight coverage, then add foundation, and if you don't want to add foundation, that is also completely okay. Don't add it. Then this primer will also act as your moisturizer. It will be completely natural. But on everyday basis, we don't like to apply full heavy makeup, but then also we want slight coverage. So for that we use BBCC cream, which are very light, but using this, if you add foundation in this will act the same. So now I will be adding this foundation. Here I am using Maybelline Fit Me matte poreless foundation in the shade 220 Natural Beige, if you can see. Yes, so now I'll be using adding this foundation into this. Okay, add very little foundation because I'm a little scared. Yes, because we want it to look very natural, so just 2 drops is enough. See, very little foundation we'll be adding in this. Now we will mix it. Now mix this properly. So this is 3-in-1. This is a primer, this is a moisturizer, and will also give a sheer coverage. So you can apply this on a daily basis if you don't want to apply heavy makeup. Mix it properly. You can see it is looking just like my market primers. See, our DIY makeup primer is ready. So this is a very good primer, and this will help your makeup to last for very long, and it will avoid your foundation to crack also. So this is a very good primer. Do make this primer, use it, and share your experience in the comment section that you liked this or not. I will apply this in my hand and show it to you how it looks. If you think that it will look very heavy, then that's not true. See, even after applying foundation, this will get absorbed into your skin. Let me focus. See, and this will moisturize your skin very well. See, can you see the glow on my hand? I'll also apply it here and show it to you. So this is hydrating my skin really nicely, and this is a very good moisturizer. So even if you don't add foundation, you can use it as your moisturizer. This gives a very healthy glow to the skin. If you found this video helpful, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. At the end of the video, I would like to say love animals as they are innocent souls, and if you can't love them, at least don't harm them, please. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.